Here are 5 things you didn't know about Penang's most expensive mansion, worth $180 million. First, this property spans 12 entire city blocks, making it larger than most shopping malls. Traditional Malaysian wooden architecture sits alongside glass walls and infinity pools. Second, the owner literally created their own private beach by importing 50,000 tons of white sand from the Maldives. Crystal blue water meets hand-carved temple pillars in the most surreal way possible. Third, the underground garage houses 60 luxury supercars, including 3 Bugattis and a custom gold-plated Rolls-Royce. Fourth, the rooftop helipad offers complete 360-degree views of the entire island. Ancient pagoda designs blend with modern helicopter landing technology. Fifth, the annual maintenance cost alone is $2.8 million, enough to buy 5 luxury homes in Kuala Lumpur. Like and follow for more insane Asian luxury content that will blow your mind.